Children, today we are going to discuss about exercise 9.3 of class 9, areas of parallelogram and triangles. So theorem 9.2, what is theorem 9.2? Two triangles on the same base, and between the same parallel, two triangles on the same base are equal bases and between the same parallels are equal in area. If there are two triangles, their base is same. Suppose here in figure ABC is a triangle, this is ABC is a triangle, then ABD is another triangle. They are on the same base and between the same parallels. The same base is B and parallels are AB and CD. So when two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, then their areas are always equal. Then theorem 9.3, two triangles having the same base and equal areas lie between the same parallels. Converse is also true. If two triangles are on the same base and their areas are equal, suppose in triangle ABC and ABD, they are on the same base AB and area of ABC equal to area of ABD, then always AB parallel to CD. So this is theorem 9.9. Example number there is one postulate. So that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Let ABC is a triangle. And D is the midpoint of BC. So AD is joined. So AD is the median. So we have to prove that area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ACD. So median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So in order to prove what we did, we make a construction. The construction is AE perpendicular to BC is drawn. From A we have drawn a perpendicular, AE perpendicular to BC is drawn. Now since D is the midpoint of BC, given D is the midpoint of BC, so clearly BD equal to DC. So we are writing BD equal to DC. Now area of triangle ABD. What is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. So half base is BD, height is AE. So half into BD into AE, then equal to half. BD is equal to DC. So in place of BD we are putting DC. So half into DC into AE. Now if you see, DC is the base of which triangle? This is the base of triangle ACD. DC is the base of triangle ACD. So it will become area of triangle ACD. So medians of a triangle divides is two triangles of equal area. Then exercise 9.3. Given E is any point on the median AD. AD is the median. Here AD is the median. E is any point on AD of triangle ABC. To show area of ABD, we have to show that area of ABE is equal to area of ACE. Now in triangle ABC, if you see in triangle ABC, AD is the median. So what shall we get? We shall get area of ABD equal to area of ACD. This area ABD equal to area of ACD. So just now we discussed that median divides it two triangles of equal area. Similarly, in triangle BEC, in this triangle, here also ED is the median. So when ED is the median, then area of BED means this area of BED is also equal to area of CED. So we are writing area of BED equal to area of CED. The first one is given number 1, second one is number 2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2, we shall write area of ABD minus area of BED equal to area of ACD minus area of CED. Now area of ABD, from ABD, this bigger part is ABD, from ABD, if you subtract BED subtract, what is left? ABE. So left area of ABE. Similarly from area of ACD, if you subtract area of DEC, what is left? Area of ACE. So hence proved. Next, question number 2. In triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of the median AD. AD is already median and E is also midpoint of AD. Now one thing is, you see, suppose in triangle ABC, AD is the median, okay, AD is the median. Then we have area of ABD equal to area of ACD. And since their areas are equal, so we can write that each of them, area of ABD. No, this is area of ABD, no? Area of ABD, we can write half area of ABC. So each part is, this part is half of ABC, this part is also half of ABC. So since AD is the median in triangle ABD, BE is the median, so we can show that area of BED equal to half of ABD. So it is half of ABD. In triangle ABC, AD is the median, so area of ABD equal to half area of ABC. Therefore area of BED equal to half area of ABD. In place of ABD we shall put what? Half area of ABC. So in place of ABD we put half area ABC. So half into half, 1/4 area of ABC. Hence proved. Question number 3. ABCD is a parallelogram in which the diagonals AC and BD intersect are two diagonals. To prove that area of AOB equal to area of BOC equal to area of COD equal to area of AOD. Areas are equal. Since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so O is the midpoint of AC and BD. We know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD also. Now in triangle ABD, since O is the midpoint, so AO is median. Therefore area of AOB equal to area of AOD. Similarly in triangle ABC, BO is the median, so area of AOB equal to area of BOC. In triangle BCD, CO is the median, so area of BOC equal to area of COD. Now you see AOB is equal to AOD, AOB is also equal to BOC, BOC equal to COD. That means all four areas are equal. Number 4, it's given that O is the midpoint of AC. To prove area of ABC is equal to area of ABD. Now in triangle ACD, AO is the median, so area of, by theorem, area of AOC equal to area of AOD. Similarly in triangle BCD, BO is the median, so area of BOC equal to area of BOD. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, area of AOC plus area of BOC equal to area of AOD plus area of BOD. Now area of AOC this one, BOC this one, if you add these two you will get what? Area of AOC, sorry, I have made a mistake. Area of AOC this one, area of BOC this part. So when you add this you will get area of triangle ABC. Similarly area of AOD this part and area of DOB this part. When you add you will get area of triangle ABD. So this is the proof. Then question number 7. Given D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC such that area of DBC is equal to area of EBC. Prove that DE parallel to BC. So DP perpendicular to BC and EQ perpendicular to BC are drawn. After that, now given area of DBC equal to area of EBC, DBC का area will be what? Half into base into height, so half into base is BC, height is DP, equal to area of EBC, half into base is BC, height is EQ. So half cancel, BC cancel, what is left? DP. So DP equal to EQ. DP is the distance of D and P. EQ is the distance of E and Q. Since their distances are equal, therefore DE parallel to BC, hence proved. Question number 10. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersects each other at O. To prove area of AOD, this area, to prove area of AOD equal to area of BOC. Clearly, triangle ABD and triangle ABC are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DC. So by theorem their areas are equal. ABD, area of ABD equal to area of ABC. Now what is area of ABD? ABD means area of AOD plus area of AOB. Written. Area of ABC means ABC means what? Area of ABC, area of BOC plus area of AOB. Now in both the cases AOB is there, so AOB cancel. What is left? Area of AOD equal to area of BOC, hence proved. Now number 13. Number 13 is very important. What is given? In ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means AB parallel to CD. With AB parallel to CD, a line parallel to AC. First we join AC. Then we draw a line which is parallel to AC. This is which intersect AB at X and BC at Y. BC at Y. Now to prove that area of ADX is equal to area of ACX. This area we have to prove. Now clearly triangle ADX. Now there is a construction C, X are joined. Clearly triangle ADX, you see triangle ADX and triangle ACY. Triangle ADX and triangle ACX. Triangle ADX and triangle ACX are on the same base AX and between the same parallels AX and DC. So area of ADX is equal to area of ACX. Again triangle ACX and triangle ACY are on the same base AC. Triangle ACX and triangle ACY are on the same base AC and between the same parallels AC and XY. So area of ACY is also equal to area of ACX. And now in the upper case, ADX is equal to ACX. Here ACY is equal to ACX. So from 1 and 2, area of ADX is equal to area of ACX. Hence proved. Area of ACY. Because ADX is equal to ACX, ACY is also equal to ACX. So area of ADX equal to area of ACY. Similarly, question number 14 is same, you will understand. So this is the explanation, children. Thank you.